Setting up and checking machinery calls for patience, good lighting, keen eyesight, and about 5 hands. Well, I've got good lighting, but I'm a little short on patience, keen eyesight, and extra hands. That's why I love Woodpeckers SERX straight edges. The unique V-groove in the edge lets it stand on its own, and the thin 2-point contact clearly reveals any humps or dips in a machine surface. I first check with a light on the back, and if that looks good, I'll switch to a feeler gauge and find the thickest gauge that will fit between the SERX and the table. Over at the joiner, with the SERX on the outfeed table, I'll use the feeler gauge to verify that the infeed table is parallel. At the router table, I can confirm that the 2 fence halves are straight. Or adjust the outfeed fence to match a specific depth of cut. The engraved scale is held to a tolerance of 0.04 of an inch total accumulated stack-up error. And the edge beveled at 30 degrees gets the engravings right down next to the stock, right where you need it. The SERX straight edge rules come in 3 sizes: 24-inch, 36-inch, and 49.5-inch. Any of them will make a great addition to your shop. Order yours today.